Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I am bringing you one of my free crochet patterns. It is called the Crochet Cross Wrap Stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. As usual, I have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. As you can see, I have already made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. To begin my swatch, I did make chains in an even amount of number. I then made 3 more chains that count as 1 double crochet stitch. And throughout this pattern, if you make any chains, any 3 chains, it's going to count as 1 double crochet stitch. So in all for my swatch, I did make 23 chains. And then in this first row right here, all I did was 1 double crochet stitch into each of the chains across. So then I turned my work and I did 3 chains over here, which again count as 1 double crochet. And then I would do my cross wrap stitches. So I have already made 3 rows of cross wrap stitches. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make the 4th row. Over here I have already made 3 chains. So I'm going to go ahead and work a cross wrap into this. So for your cross wrap, you're going to work 1 double crochet stitch. You're then going to work a 2nd double crochet right next to that one into the same space, which is this right here. I'm using this space. You're then going to yarn over, you're going to wrap your hook around to the right side of those stitches, grab that yarn from behind, and you're going to pull it around. You're then going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And that's going to be 1 cross wrap stitch made. Okay, I don't make any chains in between my cross wrap stitches because you can see how wide they are at the top. So you really don't need to make any chains in between them. If you wanted to, you would just add more chains down here and calculate how many you would need to make any, if you wanted to make the spaces bigger in between them, and then calculate those chains in between here into these. That way you could make it as wide and as big as you wanted it to be. So, okay, I'm going to make another cross wrap stitch into this space. I'm going to start with a yarn over. I'm going to make 1 double crochet stitch. I'm going to make a 2nd right next to that one in that same spot. Then I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to go around those 2 double crochet, go behind them and grab that yarn, pull it around them, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's going to be another cross wrap stitch made. Okay, so I'm going to do that again in the next space. Work 1 double crochet, work a 2nd one, yarn over my hook, take that hook, go around those 2 stitches, go behind them, grab that yarn, pull it around, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, make 2 double crochet, yarn over, go over those 2 double crochet towards the back of them on the right, grab that yarn, pull it around those stitches, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again over here, 2 double crochet, yarn over, go around those 2 stitches over them in the front, go around, grab that yarn from behind them, pull them around those stitches, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again in this next space, yarn over, go over those stitches in the front, grab that yarn from behind them, pull that yarn over them, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Last space, 2 double crochet in the same spot, yarn over, go over those stitches towards the right side, grab that yarn from behind them, pull it over, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And in this last space over here, I would make 1 double crochet stitch. Okay. That is going to be how to make the cross wrap stitch. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please leave me any feedback on future videos that you would like to see in the future. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Thank you guys for being here. Have a great day.